Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are looking for a digital calendar display for your home, three most popular options are Dakboard, Mango Display and Skylight Calendar. So each one is built for the different types of users. So let's see which one fits your needs the best. So first we have Skylight Calendar that offers a ready to use touchscreen display that mainly focuses on family organization right out of the box. Then we have Darkboard, which is more customizable and it often requires a bit more setup, but it gives you much greater control over what appears on the screen. Then we have Mango Display, which is designed for around digital signage and information displays that makes it suitable for the users who want to create custom dashboards and visual layouts. Now for calendar management, all three can display the schedules and the upcoming events. If we talk about special features, so Skylight adds family focused tools such as chore tracking, meal planning and shared scheduling. Darkboard supports calendars, weathers, photos, to-do lists, smart home gadgets and extensive layout customization. Mango Display focuses on the content presentation, allowing you to display the calendars, announcements, dashboards, images and other information across the screens. So let's just understand which one is actually better for you. So if your goal here is family scheduling and household organization, Skylight Calendar is the most beginner friendly option that you can go with. If you enjoy building the custom dashboards and you want maximum flexibility, Darkboard is going to give you more control. But if you are looking for the display solution that can handle the calendars while also functioning as a digital signage platform, Mango Display is worth considering. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.